Special delivery package.
Why, look, children. It's a Christmas present from Uncle Bob and Aunt Jane. Let's open it and see what's inside.
Oh, a gingerbread house. Just like the one you sing about, Mommy.
There's a gingerbread house with a crackerjack floor, a peppermint roof, and a Tootsie Roll door. Close your eyes and, ooh, surprise, you're there in the gingerbread house. Oh, the gingerbread house in Lullaby Land has the funniest animal cracker band. Gee, it's fun for everyone who plays in the gingerbread house. Just ring the lollipop doorbell right next to